What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to host your Flask site on Heroku. So the hosting is nothing but while you run this program, only you see the output. Only see the output. So any outsiders do not see what you have done, what the work you have done. Okay. So uh, hosting is we host our site at any platform, so anyone outsider can access that site with help of the URL. So this is how the sign up form looks like. So you can fill all these details and click on create account, and you can easily create your account. So if you have already an account, just click on this login. So I have already my account, so I will use that thing. Just a minute. So here um, I have already created 5 apps. So okay, the free limit is up to 5 apps you can build for free. So I will delete one of my app, click on new and create new app, and name your app. So in my case, Cosmo Coding. Yep, Cosmo Coding is available. Now leave it as it is. So United States and click on create app. Don't need we don't need to touch anything. That's it. You have successfully created. So these are all the instructions. You can use it to deploy your website. So I am here teaching you the easiest way to deploy your Flask website on Heroku. Okay. So for this, we have to need a GitHub account. So this is the login form of GitHub account. So I have already my GitHub account. So I will. So here, just click on this and click on new repository. And this is my username and here repository name. First app. So this is my repository name. And if you had any readme file, just click on this. And if you want to add any git ignore file, and click on this and click on repository. I am not adding any files. Okay. So once we created, so let's try to upload our files, which are our Flask files. Just click on upload and choose your files. In my case, these are on the desktop Flask, and inside my templates I have index2, index, base, and result. Simply drag and drop. Just upload, wait until it's upload done, and main.py also. That's it, guys. So this is how you can select your file. So I am not using here result.html, so I just clear this thing and click on commit changes. That's it? No, that's not the case. So in Heroku, it has to install this Flask. So we're importing the Flask, right? So if we import any other module like pandas, and it will access this main.py and it will install these libraries on Heroku. So in my case, it is only in Flask. So to allow the Heroku to access this main.py and install these, we need have a requirements file. So the requirements are mainly which consist of the libraries and their versions. So the Heroku will access that requirement file and install all the libraries present in the requirement file. So just type pip install pip reqs, requirement already satisfied. So we have to install, we have to set the path to the requirements file where our main.py is present. Okay, I just open the file from here and say cmd, and it will open in the directory where our main.py file is. Okay, so to create our requirements file, just type pip reqs, and here we have to add the path. So just click, check, copy the path, and that's it, slash, and there you go, successfully your requirements. And if you open this thing, here it installed only Flask because I am importing only Flask, right? So here it imported only Flask. So we need to have another file which is proc file. So 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 we have successfully created the proc file, and P is the capital letter in the proc. Okay, and we need not to specify any extensions to this file. Just paste this line in our proc file. I will explain this. So here we are using the G unicorn. So it is used to combine our main, which is our file name, okay, and the app, which is our app we declared inside. So if you name this as main, and we have to change here main, and this is the file name and this is the app name. Okay, so remember that thing. Here we are using unicorn, right? So we have to add the unicorn version in the requirements also. So this is the version unicorn double equals 20.0.4. So you can do this manually by saying using the pip reqs and the path to this file name. So I have already done this. So I am just copying this thing and pasting here. You can also use this version for your unicorn also. So we have created two files which are requirements and proc file. So click on add file and upload file. So we have to upload these files also, these two files which are on my desktop. Where is this thing? On my desktop, go to the Flask, and here this is the requirements file. So where this file has stored, it is in the templates. So it is also installed not in the templates but outside the templates. Okay, so I'm dropping this from here. This file is empty. Oh, fine. So this thing I forgot to say that thing. Okay, so if you see this thing, if you commit the changes, these two files has to be outside the templates. Okay, remember that proc file and requirements file are to be stored along with the main.py and outside the templates. Okay, that's it guys. So now go back to your site. So click on GitHub and search for our app name. In my case it is the first app, right? And click on search and click on connect. Yeah, we have to search with the correct name. If you're done with the wrong name, if you do with the wrong name, it will not fetch the data. Okay, so it is connected now. Here we have to set deploy branch on all below. Okay, so it is installing pip, installing Python, installing SQLite. So it is installing all these stuff by default. Okay, so it is using all this stuff and installing the packages we created using requirements.txt, installing requirements with pip. Okay, where the installments from the requirements is started. There you go guys. So this is how we can deploy our object. So this is our object link, and you can copy this and we can view, and this is the final result. If you click on this thing, so it is showing me welcome to the website, and this is my home page, and if you click on this, this is the contact page. So this is how you can actually deploy your website on Heroku. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Peace out.